Okay, so today is November 16th, 2022, and I am doing one of my resubscription hauls. I haven't gotten my PM or microcosm just yet, but this went to the mail, and lo and behold, this is actually their logo. I normally don't show these. This is the AK press thing that comes with the AK. Um, Titles I'm not very familiar with, so I'll have to look them up and see what they are. Oh, okay, so that's good. Because I know eBay will want to know who the cover art was by, who the cover was designed by. So this is the first one, True Kids. This is from AK Press. This is their little logo right there. And this retails, doesn't say, oh, here we go. $20 US. So this is a $20 US book. If I'm able to sell it, we'll see. And this is the other one. I'm not even going to try to spell it. I know one is Spirit. A collection of short stories, fiction, and poetry. Oh Lord. But, well, not how we have TCP, but we'll see. What's this? Okay, $17. This is what the cover looks like. So let's see. Once again, their little logo. Let's see what printings are these. Okay, definitely will not be scanning that part of the book. So let's see. Third edition. So this is a book that's been probably out since they were in Oakland, probably. This is like third edition of Inchico or something, or I don't know, or a lot of people pre-ordered it. And let's see, True Kids. True Kids is True Kids. Oh, this is this edition. So take it back. So they're probably probably unmarked first editions. But yeah. I'm gonna bounce out here. Have a good day, and see you next time. And I'll probably upload this probably about the next 10 minutes. Peace out.